How to post on BlueSky. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can post on BlueSky. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to post on the BlueSky app, it is very easy. You just need to follow these steps. But before that, you just need to log in into your account. After you have logged in into your account, you'll be able to see the home screen of the BlueSky app with all of the posts that is on your screen. So here, in order to create your own post, you just need to tap on this pen icon at the bottom right. You can see this circle with the pen icon. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, you can find this option, like you may just post up your status, or you may just add a picture or video. Also, I'm just gonna type in hi and post a picture from my gallery, for example, right now. And after that is done, after you are done selecting, you may just go on with, like, here you are also able to find this option called anyone can interact, which means you can also choose your audience if you want. After that, you may also add labels, and after that is done, simply tap on post and wait for it to be uploaded. And then your post has been successfully posted. So in order to see your post, you may just go to your profile at the bottom right. You can see your profile here. Just go to your profile and you are able to find the post that you just posted. So you may also follow the same process in order to create your own post as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.